Hello, friends. I'm Karthik Wagela from Anand Rathi, and we are back with another weekly podcast episode with Nilesh Jain, derivatives and technical analyst at Anand Rathi. Thank you, Nilesh, for joining in our podcast series to share your market outlook for the week. Hi, Nilesh. Welcome to another podcast. How are the market looking on charts, and what are the momentum indicators indicating?
Hi Karthik. So in line with our expectations, market rebounded sharply in the truncated week when the Nifty index formed an inside bar on the weekly scale, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Earlier, the Nifty index respected its long-term 200-day simple moving average placed at 10,750 levels, and historically we have seen the importance of 200 DMA, which has always acted as a crucial support and important resistances. So on Friday, we saw Nifty open with a gap up where it reclaimed its short term 21-day moving average, which is placed at 11,320 levels, which will now act as an immediate support, followed by 11,180. The immediate hurdle on the higher side is placed at 11,500 levels, which is a psychological barrier, and also it is acting as an immediate resistance since it has a falling trend line. Although we are getting some negative global cues, but the Indian equity still looks strong, and technically we can expect Nifty to oscillate in the range of 11,200 to 11,600 in the coming week. The broader markets have also outperformed compared to the benchmark index and still looking strong on the chart. Hence, the defensive trader needs to adopt a stock specific approach from this space. The volatility index India weeks, which fell by 11% to end at around 18 levels and very much in the comfort zone, and a further drop will pull the index on the higher side. And now if we look at the structure for the bank Nifty index, which outperformed the Nifty index and formed a big bullish candle on the weekly scale, it has also negated the formation of a lower top and low bottom formation on the daily chart, which is a positive sign. The important support which has shifted higher is placed at 21,600 followed by 21,000. The immediate resistance for the bank nifty is placed at 22,500. Above that we can expect a further momentum towards 23,000 levels. The momentum indicators RSI has reversed from the oversold territory, which hints of further positive momentum to continue. Overall, bank nifty index looks slight positive compared to the nifty index.
Can you share your few observations about Nifty open interest levels for coming week?
Well, Karthik, on a derivative front, we have seen a fresh addition at 11,300 and 11,400 put strike, where almost equal amount of open interest were been added of 12 to 12.5 to 13 lakh contracts respectively. The highest open interest on the put side is still placed at 11,200 strike of 17.5 lakh contract. So based on the data, we are witnessing a shifting of a base on the put side, and going forward if Nifty manages to defend the levels of 11,400, then we might see open interest getting shifted on a higher side. On the call side, the maximum open interest is still placed at 11,500 strike of 16 lakh contract. So a fresh rally on the back of short covering move will come only if Nifty manages to surpass the levels of 11,500. Above that, we can expect a 100-point rally towards the levels of 11,600 levels as well. So in the coming week, we are expecting Nifty to oscillate in a range of 11,200 to 11,600 levels. Till the time Nifty doesn't break below 11,200 levels, we advise to go long on every dip with a strict stop loss below 11,200 levels. On the higher side, immediate hurdle is placed at 11,500 and 11,600.
Which sector and stocks are looking attractive?
So from sector specific, the financials are looking quite positive. Looking at the kind of up move that we have seen in the previous week, we may see the positive momentum to continue going forward. So a couple of private sector banks are looking positive. One of the private sector bank which is on the verge of a fresh breakout is Bandhan Bank, which has formed a beautiful falling wedge pattern on the daily chart. Although the breakout is awaited, which is placed at 288 levels, the moment it surpasses the levels of 288, we can expect the upside momentum to continue towards the levels of 310 to 315. one should keep a strict stop loss below 275. If we look at the momentum indicators and oscillators, which has turned positive from the lower levels, which hints of a further momentum in the coming week. The another financials is NBFC space is Ujjivan Finance, which has also provided breakout from its falling channel on Friday, and the momentum indicators RSI, which has formed a double bottom on a daily chart, and also started making a higher top and higher bottom formation from its oversold territory, which hints of a fresh momentum to continue in Ujjivan as well. One can keep a strict stop loss below 210. The upside momentum we can expect certainly to move towards the levels of 230 to 235 in the coming weeks. Well, I'm always happy to share my views. Thank you, Karthik.
Thank you, Nilesh, for sharing your valuable inputs with us. I am sure our listeners have gained great insights from you.